You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To change the H7 dipped beam bulbs, remove the cover on the grille side. Take the plastic base in your fingers and pivot it a quarter turn to the left. The bulb should come out easily by pulling on it and making small forward and back movements. You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb into the base. Then insert everything into the lights and turn it 1/4 turn to the right. Put the rubber cover back on.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
To change the H7 full beam bulb, remove the closing cap on the car body side. Take the plastic base and remove it by making small movements back and forward. The bulb should come out easily by pulling on it and making small forward and back movements. Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base. Then insert the whole thing into the headlight. You should hear a small click as it goes in. Put the rubber cover back on. The side lights are LED and cannot be changed. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.